Morning everyone. Oh, just fell down hole. Here we are, me and Ollie in a field. There's Ollie there, look, you've got to go on. Bloody freezing, here it is. This is where we are, there's a little lane there. We're still by the Tin Man. Here we are, look. Little, but I've got to go around this way because Ollie's just here. Come on, fella. Weekend's here, Saturday morning. Not sure of the time, about 8:30 I think, something like that. I've just been listening to Tony Blackburn and now Dermot's on the radio, Dermot O'Leary. I thought I'd better go out for a walk, can't sit in the van. Yesterday it was rocking a bit. Oh, I was the Starlet, I wonder where that goes. I don't know about this. That's a bit awkward to get over that one. Where does it go? We'll go this way. It's a bit awkward with Ollie. If he happens to jump, he might hurt himself. Hey fella. Lovely wall, look. All that work that goes into these walls. Nice place, eh? Oh, there's a fella up there taking his dog. Got it off the lead. Oh, it's a big one. Bloody is a big dog. Don't think you can see that from here. Where's he gone? Oh, there's the bloke. There's a dog. Look at the size of it. It's like a horse. Ollie's not pulling me at the moment. He's just looking. Thinking, where are we, Dad? Yeah, miserable old day yesterday. Went out for one walk round the field. The old field where we are. We're about half a mile away from the vans now. They're right. Oh, I can see Chrissy's van, Chris and Dave's, right in the distance. There, see that little white spot? That's my van and Dave and Chrissy's van. I had to come down that road. Yeah, down that road and then down the back of there and through that little thing there. Little gate there. That looks relatively new, that. Yeah. He's not pulling me this morning. You're right, fella. Look. Oh, this is how you should be, Ollie, fella. I still look at the wood, look. That's a good bit of burning wood, that. Look. I won't be needing that now till next winter. I'll put it in again about, when it starts to get a bit chilly. But I'm going to use both of them, Yeah, I'm going to use both of them. When it's a little bit not too cold, just have that little gas fire on. My colour gas one. And then when it's extreme, put the old log fire on. Makes life easier, doesn't it? And I'm not going to carry so many logs either. Because first thing in the morning I can just put my gas one on. Take the chill off. You learn, don't you? It's funny living in the van, You think it's a bit rough. A bit rougher than being in the house. Well, not for me anyway. I just press the wrong button. I was doing that. Dave and Chris's stomping ground, really. They know the area really well. Is that a woods or just a bit of a copse or whatever they call it? Let's have a go down here anyway. Where this goes. I don't want to get all the way over there. Look, is that a gate? No, it's not, is it? It'll be a bit tricky for you, fella. Come down this way. A bit tricky for me, and all. There's a hole there. Must be a way through. I think there is down here. Come on, fella. He wants to go there. Watch out for barbed wire there, Ollie. I can see the horses over there. Not many of them. Yeah, a couple up there. Let's go down here. Yeah, I'm glad I got the telly in the van. Anyway, that's one good thing. You can watch your normal things, you know. A couple of films I watched yesterday. Although don't ask me what they were called. Hang on, I've got to turn around here. Ollie's tackling me again. A couple of blokes over there, even they're having trouble getting over that stile. I have to carry him if I can because he'd panic. Won't you, fella? Eh? Can't be having that. Oh, they gone, they walked up there quick. Probably off to work. Hang on, fella. That's not bad. First pull of the day. It's a bit windy here. But I got another jumper on. I put a jumper on. Look, put my big one on. My winter one, that is. Look at this tree up there, look. Grabs me instead. You wouldn't want to come along here in the dark, break your bleeding ankle. I got a message from Steve last night. Steve Bridget, how are you, mate? Fine. Saturday today. You'll be in the van doing it all up. What work you got there, Steve? Not far from you. Hey, you're getting blown away here, look. Your bag's blowing over my bag. Oh, I can see the tin pan up there, we're sort of in that direction. So I don't lose me out. The big bag load, the bag load. Okay, come on with me in there. There we go. alright this morning. Let's have a look here. How are you feeling this morning? It's got your nose. A nice cold nose, they say. Yeah, they say cold nose, don't they? There's some logs here, look. Suppose they even set alight. It's a proper little fire bit there, isn't it? Yeah, holiday weekend, so just going to keep away from all the traffic. Mind you, the way we drive on the motorways and the main roads, it's not so bad, you know. I had one bit of, about 3/4 of an hour I was held up on the A1. Otherwise, I just turned the van off. Yeah, and then just started it up when it was ready to go. I mean, if I'd have known it had been 3/4 of an hour, I'd have got out the seat and made a cup of tea and sat down. God, it's blowing. Ollie, that's a windy day, isn't it? He don't like this wind. Oh, then you come back, blowing over the top of me. I know, fella. Let me get out of here now. I think there's a hole in the fence over here somewhere. Let's go along there. Oh, yeah, I remember now. Nice though, isn't it? You can imagine it with a bit of sun. It's about back there. Where are they? There they are, that would be nice. Some more there, look. Woods there. Yeah. Ollie, look, he wants to go back to the van. See you, fella, come on in. I don't blame him. Yeah, he's tangling me up again. There you go, Ollie. Well, he's not tangling me up as such, you know. He just runs around me a few times. Don't you, Ollie? Excuse me, sniffing by. Just see another van pull up the road where we are. I've got my eye on you. Oh, wait a minute, you can be over there. Pretty little dog and all. Doing one of them fancy walks. mate. You alright, fella? It's not as cold as yesterday, thank God. Because otherwise my fingers would be numb. With this wind chill. Yeah, there's a big old water trough here. I mean, if you was up here in the summer, I know you shouldn't do really, but I bet people have jumped in that before now. It's really clean too. Turn round. Oh dear, I'm going to sneeze. Oh, excuse me, I knew that was coming, I can feel it. It's the old wintry weather, isn't it? I can't even get my hanky out properly to blow my nose because it's the wind. Oh, that's bad. Sorry, excuse me there. Oh dear. Right, I'm going to have to try and get over this fence now here. I have to be very careful of Ollie, so you have to bear with me here, or I could cut off. I'm going to have a breakfast when I get back to the van. Egg, bacon and beans, 2 slices of bread. I've got so much food in the van. Ridiculous really, I don't need it all. Yeah, we got to get over here. Excuse me, I had to do that. Oh dear. Come here fella, let's pick you up. I've got to try and pick him up, man. There you go, I got him. I got him. Got to be careful here. See all that, look. I've got to get over that. Look at that, someone's dropping a dog poo there. There we go, we got over it, didn't we all? Yeah, we got over it okay. I just had to turn it off for a second just to sort myself out. Blow me nose. That was the rain now, that would be awful. A few cars coming down Saturday morning. Suppose it's about 9 o'clock. And a motorbike, couple of motorbikes, no, just one. There we go. Good morning. Let's have a little walk up here. Van's up the top of the hill, you see. I'm just gonna. I was gonna turn it off, I just looked there with it, and I. Dangerous road, this. They're taking it easy this morning. I think that was about 12 o'clock last night, 10 past 12. I was watching telly and the law car come flying down here with the sirens going. I presume it was a law car, it might have been an ambulance, mightn't it? Sent the van a rocking a little bit. Hope no one was in trouble. We're nearly there, we're nearly there. Come on fella. Lovely countryside though. can't deny that. Yes, nice couple of days there, nice. Could be a worse one. Yeah, it's nice. But when you're in the van and the weather's bad, it's just like being at home. You just sit indoors. No difference really. Cross the road quick. Two of them wind turbines over there. That's way over there. No, that's two of them. I don't know what that is in the middle. Wow. Put in the van, it's blowing. Hang on, good fella. I wish he was like this all the time. You were really good this morning, Ollie. Normally he's gagging for it, you know what I mean? It's like he's on the hunt for food or something. He's a very good dog, he is. Compared with what he was like. He just needed a home, a bit of loving, that was all it was. He used to flinch a lot when I first got him. Just if you went to sweep the yard or something like that, he'd be carrying down because you had the broom in your hand. I had a bowl of water one day, they took on some plants and he was really scared. He thought I was going to throw it over him. Now. It's that morning. Just want to show you my little walk. Everyone have a good weekend. And I really mean that. Ooh. If you can't be good, be bad.